ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯂꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯂꯛꯁꯃꯤ ꯂꯥꯡꯄꯣꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯝꯅ ꯏꯀꯣꯛꯅꯣꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ. A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Manipur Sanapung Mayor Ngathuibiriba Sri Radha Govinda Nigi Charana Changjaraga Ngasigi Pangthokchariba Thorom asi Asoyangam Apanil Amata Pinada Mapung Phana Pangthok Ngamba Pinabiyo Haina Pumnamaki Mahosinjaraga Ikoknona Kurumjari. A warm and heartfelt welcome to all esteemed cases, dignitaries, filmmakers, artists, and cinema lovers gathered here for the much awaited second Northeast India International Film Festival 2025. Today, we come together to celebrate the art of storytelling through films, a powerful medium that transcends borders, cultures, and time itself. The stage we set today is not just a ceremonial beginning, but a profound moment of cultural confluence and artistic recognition. With gratitude and honor, let us commence this grand journey. Ngasi, Thauna Manipurna Mapungwina Sinjalangjaduna Pangthokliba, in association with Film Forum Manipur and Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Government of Manipur, sponsored by Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, and National Film Development Corporation, NDFC. Pangthokchariba Anisuba Northeast India Film Festival, Manipur 2025, Thoram Masigi, Haudokpagi Thoram, inaugural ceremony asibu mapung fahan binabagi damakta lingbirakliba Manipuri cinema bo amadi cinema bu nungsibiriba khwai pumnamak mangda lingsinbiriba ahallaman ojaguru satranaha khwai pumnamak po aina thoram sinja langjaribagi mahu sinjaraga amuktanga hanna thoram masida taram nokchari ikoknona kurumjari. Before we begin, may I have the honor of inviting our esteemed presidium members to kindly grace the dais. So first of all, may I have the privilege to invite on stage Professor L. Hemchandra Singh, Director, DM Community College, DM University, Manipur, to be on the dais. And next, we'd like to request Shri M. Ashni Kumar Singh, Honorable Chairman, LDA, Government of Manipur, and also Professor N. Lokendra Singh, Vice Chancellor, Manipur University. Ikai kunajariba ngasigi thoram asigi presidium members singna daiske leiteng oina lengshin bikraba matung asidi chamna langjariba khudolpot sing ahanbada khudol tamjaduna ikai kumnaba uchabagi kudongchaba du lauzari. In the vibrant culture of Manipur and the Northeast, honoring our distinguished cases is a cherished tradition. Today, as a token of our respect and appreciation, we shall felicitate our esteemed cases with the traditional Lengyan stole and gifts. First of all, we'd like to request Shri A. Dhanachandra Sharma, Advisor, Northeast India Film Festival 2025, to felicitate our respected dignitaries on the dais with the Lengyan. Ikai kunajariba mitunglen singki mafamda langjariba leng kudol tambiri, Advisor, Northeast India Film Festival 2025, Shri A. Dhanachandra Sharma. Thagachari mathangda lengshinbiriba ikai kunajariba mitunglen, Director, DM Community College, Dhanamanjuri University, Manipur, Professor L. Hemchandra Singh. Thagachari taram nokchari lunena advisor busu hana hana thagachaba fongdokchari. Mathangi asina langjariba bouquet amadi record book lanthokpiranaba ikai kunajariba festival asigi Director lunena Chairman Film Forum Manipur Shri L. Shurjakanta Ozabu Nolukchari. Mathangda langthokchariba record book festival asiga mari leinana semjabani khudolpot oina langthokchabani lanadana laushin bibagi hana hana thagachaba phongdokchari. Mathangi asina ngasigi thauramasigi senglaba maira ikai khumnajariba mithunglen singna chukhatpinabagi damakta nolukchari. Light symbolizes wisdom, knowledge and enlightenment. It dispels darkness and paves the way for creativity and progress. To mark the official inauguration of Northeast India Film Festival 2025, thank you very much, Yambim Shamo and Ngangom Brajendra, for that melodious Moibung recital that have aided sanctity of this moment. Thank you very much, and also thank you very much all our respected dignitaries on the dais for doing the honor of lighting the ceremonial lamp. Thank you very much. Now to officially welcome our August gathering and to share the vision behind Northeast India Film Festival 2025, it is my privilege to invite Shri V. Nilachandra Singh, Chairman, Organizing Committee, Northeast India Film Festival 2025, to deliver the welcome and keynote address.
Lengshin Miraba Kwai Tarabu, Ikong Nona Kurumjari. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to this auspicious event. On behalf of the organizing committee for 2nd Northeast India Film Festival 2025, Manipur, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you. Tasheng Bagidi. Ngasi asi aikoi Manipur ki Honorable Governor Ajay Kumar Bhallana aikoi function asi chief guest hoina grace taubigadabani adubu hojik oiriba laibaki ahongba amadi chayatnaba mayam asina ma position thadokpa yadabana maram oiraga ngasi gi asigumlaba aikoi gi thoram masida Yam Labna, who is Pizarage, Aduga Yawadi, Kitang Kudong, Chararo, Hana, Takpira Padagi, Aquina arrangement, si Kajitang on Toksare. Hana Quina, Lajeriba, chief guest, president, Amadi guest of honor Haiba, Tam Masidagi, Subchin Jaraga, Lengshin Biriba dies the Lengshin Biriba, Humapu, Aquina presidium member, Wena, Aqui Tamzare, Masi, Hong Basi, the Maktada, Mayampuna Manangak Pigani, Amadi excuse. To our organizing committee. Ahan Maktada Nasi Sumlaba function Sida, Taurama Sida, Manipur Filambu, Amadi, Northeast India Gi, Filamgi, Maramda, Live Train Sibu, Yamna support to Biduna, Yamna Belu, Lahan Biriba, Adumlaba, Oja, Aquina, Hajarubada, Harau Yabiratuna. Lengshin Biriba, President Ahan with the Lengshin Biriba, Professor Naurem Lokendra Singh, Vice Chancellor Manipur University, Taram no Okchabuga Loinana, Ikaikum Nabu Cheri, Loinana, Moirang Tem Asni Kumar Singh, Chairman, Loktak Development Authority, Honorable Chairman, Loktak Development Authority, Magi Achinba Amadi Laibaki Asumlaba. Yamna Silva Tanja Sida Maki Chutodang Yam Chong Yobani Adubu. Adu Dagidi, Aquigi, लेरिबा मणिपुर फिल्म की अमदि ngasi ओइरिबा नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया फिल्म फेस्टिवल असिगी इंपोर्टेंस असिना हेना वांगना खनबिदुना थौरम मसिदा मतम चाना लाकपिदुना लेंसिन बिरिबा इकाई खुमजब लोइना तराम तराम न ओक्चरी लोइना लोइना प्रोफेसर एल हेमचंद्र सिंह डायरेक्टर धनमंजुरी कम्युनिटी कॉलेज यामना चाउना थौदांग लौबिबनी ngasi सिगुमलब फंक्शन असिदा यावबिबद नतना प्रेसिडेंट मेंबर ओइना यावबिबद नतना सिनबा लांगबा तौरिबा मयाम अमा अखोइगी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सि तौबा मतमदा भाबोकी अमदि अखोइ वॉलंटियर न सिंबगी मतंगदसु याम चाउन थौदांग लौबिबा ओजाबु इकाई खुमनजबगा लोइनना तराम तराम न ओक्चरी लोइना लोइनना अखोइगे सिगुमलबा नुमित मंगानी की ओइबा फेस्टिवल असिदा मास्टर क्लास तौबिगदबा अमदि ओपन फोरम दा एक्सपर्ट ओइना यावबिगदबा अमदि मॉडरेटर ओइबिगदबा मिंग ओइना हंगतचरबदा अलेक्जेंडर लियोपाउ मांगदे लेंसिनबिरी रोमी मैतै अमदि ब्रायन अकोइजम इकाई खुमनजरी अमदि तराम तराम न ओक्चरी लोइना लोइना कंपटीशन असिदा फिल्म थाजिन बिरकपा अमदि मसा लाकपिदुना सिगुमलबसिदा याम थवा यावना अखोइगी मणिपुर न सिनबा अदुमा नेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल हायरसु याबा मरमदि इंडिया की नॉर्थ ईस्ट हाइबसी नेशनल की पार्ट अमनी असिगुमलबा नेशनल की ओइबा नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया फिल्म फेस्टिवल असिदा कोई यावबिदुना कंपटीशन असिदा यावबिरिबा अमदि कंपटीशन नतना अखोइ नन कंपटीशन सेक्शन स्पेक्ट्रम दसु सरुक याबिरिबा अखोइगी फिल्म मेकर सिंह फिल्म पर्सनालिटी सिंह अमदि फ्रेटर्निटी की मेंबर पुनमकपुसु इकाई खुमजब लोइना तराम तराम ओक्चरी लोइना लोइना जवाहरलाल नेहरू मणिपुरी डांस एकाडमी ना सिगुमलबा थौरम असिदा याम चमना लांगबा यारोय मरमदि सिगुमलबा याम फेस्टिवल असिदा याम हेना मपुंग फाबा म ओहेनगम थोई हाना अदुमबगी वाखललोंदा अखोइ बसंत रास हेक हाइजरु मतमदा हरो हरो याबिदो उतम थोइने अखोइना उतकनिने हाइदना लाकपिदुना हौजिक अखोइगी प्रोग्राम असि दाइस की प्रोग्राम असि हेक लोइबगा बसंत रास मिनिट 35 गी अमा थमजगनी मादुगी आर्टिस्टिंग हौजिक सेम सादुना ग्रीन रूम द लेबिरि पुनमक पुसु इकाई खुमनजबग लोइना तराम तराम ओक्चरी लोइना लोइना मांगद लेंसिन बिरिबा अमा ममोइना मिंग पंजद्रगसु डिस्टिंग्विश गेस्ट फिल्म की फ्रेटर्निटी की मेंबरसिंग अमदि मीडिया की इसिनाउसिंग असिगुमलबा थौरम असिबु मणिपुर की नतना भारत की अमदि इंडिया की वर्ल्ड की मफम खुदिमक्ता यहोनबिगदोरिबा मीडिया की इसिनाउसिंगबुसु तराम तराम न ओक्चबो लोइना इकाई खुमनबु उच्चरी अइना ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमिटी तरफ की नोट एड्रेस असी पिजद्रिंगे की ममांग पंजनिंग वाफम अमतंगदी हौजे हौजे मणिपुर दा हौखिबा 2023 की मे की अहुमदगी हौदुना यामना कन्फ्लिक्ट सिचुएशन अमदा लैरी सिगुमलबा कन्फ्लिक्ट सिचुएशन सिंगसी फावबो लोइजिंद्री अदु मासिना मरम ओइरगा पामुरबा थवाई कया कोई मांगख्रे अदुगी प्रजा कया अमा खुंताक लानसिदुना मयुम मै थाखिबा प्रॉपर्टी मांगनखिबा कया अमा यावरे अदुगा ngasi फावमेदा फैमिली की स्ट्रक्चर दा माय ओनजिन बंगमदना अखोइ रिलीफ कैम्प सिंग दा पुनसिलियन नु लैरिबा मयाम अमा लैरि चाहि था कुन हेना सिगुमलबा मयाम असि अखोइ ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमिटी ना कइदंगजसु अखोइ नेग्लेक्ट तौजदे अदुगा मखोइगे अवाबदसु अखोइ सरुक याजरी लोइना लोइना मणिपुर सदा याम थुना नॉर्मल सिदा लाक्तना हानेगे अदुमाइना तंगदु लैताबा मणिपुर मा ओरसन मो हाइबसि सोरी मफमदा नोलुकजरी खुरुमजरी अदुगा ngasi asigumlaba keynote address ki matangda North East India Film Festival asi akoi thauna Manipur haida koigi society ama khangna maru aina all Manipur gi orisu Kaching the best of adumlaba society ni aduga sina akoi gi film forum Manipur akoi apex body oriba Manipur gi film gi screening scrutiny da apex body or film forum Manipur amadi Department of Information and Public Relations Government of Manipur khusam naduna question jabani aduga sigumlaba thoram masigi amadi film festival sigi sponsorship sina Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Government of India amadi National Film Development Corporation na oibibani aduga koi utkadori sina tarik 12 ngasi dagina tarik 13 phawba koi utchagani Masida tarik tarani thoi ngasi dagina tarani thoi tarahumdoi taramari sina koi tantha police ta pangthok jagani aduga lemhoriba 15 amadi 16 na kakching da pangthok jagani aduga award distribution ceremony sisu aroiba numit kakching da tau jagani aikoina organizer na maruoina thamjariba North East India Film Festival asigi pandam di akoi film production sida yamna phajaba amadi lairiba North East India gi community 220 gumba akoi different community lai makoi gi culture identity asida hena focus toba cinema puthok laktana mayamda showcase ama pinanaba amadi maduna maram oiraga India gi unity da yam chauna mateng pangba oigani haibagi wakhalon aduda koi tawjabani adugi mathakta Manipur gi lairiba amadi North East gi lairiba filmmaker sing ade technician sing ase makoi film is across the country akoi kamaina kadi conditional lege haibidu unabani loina na yam vibrant oiba amadi yamna complete oiba film industry ama North East India sida more particularly in Manipur da purakpa yanabagi damakta da akoi tawjaba aduma film festival asi mayamna entertainment ne khalaga su tasengna yam kana entertainment lomda akoi jangsin jate masigi experience singda karam haina film sin namga dege film gi education ma pinanaba karam haina act tawga dege haibul singba adomda akoi maruaina focus tawjabani maramaduna koina master class da class ahum thamjai aduga open forum da amaga haiba saruk asida koi thamjabani maramaduna film asi not only for entertainment but education to the experience sumaina thamjage aduga akoi gi North East India Film Festival second edition se thamjari basi akoi mamang chahida ahanba North East India Film Festival si hogiba 2024 gi March ki tang ahum dagina tariat phau da pangthokibani maduda akoi feature film gakta thamjaki adubu hanaki asida de akoi feature and non feature animak punna thamjai aduga masida akoi film mayam ama lai film nifu gi mathakta lai adubu akoina competition section da film tara ka khangat chai akoi feature da nipan aduga non feature da ani aduga lemhori ba mayam aduda su akoi phaja film khangalaga film tara nipan akoi non kaino da non competition da spectrum haina ming thon jaraga madu akoi kapchagani aduna punna festival saruk yagadoriba film asi kun ga nipan aduga thamjariba awards asina best film, best director, best screenplay, best cinematography, best editing, best sound, the honorable jury award for feature film, best non-feature film and the mention award animakta mention award lejagani koi feature dasu non-feature dasu aduna sigumlaba film asigi akoi award sina tarik 13 ta ina thamjaki baduni kakching da yam glittering function amaga loina na koi award sing asi koi award won kanu sing da winner sing da koi khusin nagani aduna mayam punamak na asigumlaba festival asi loiba papa saruk yaduna yamna grand success ama festival ama ohen view hai wafam asi thamjabaga loina mayam punam pukhuram jari
Thagachari, Ikai Kunajariba, Chairman, Organizing Committee, North East India Film Festival 2025, Shri Yengkhom Nilachandra Singh, Ikai Kunajariba na ngasigi thoramasigi, taramnokpagi warol asukimatik marichumna thambirami, loinana festival asigi competition gi rules, norms, masida film kayana, entry taurakpa, amadi kari award na chingbalan thokadoriba haibadugi matang dasu, mayamgi, pinakongoi wafamoina thambiramba haininga leitana, Thagachaba Fongdokchari. A festival is incomplete without a symbolic token of its journey and essence. May I now request our esteemed Presidium members to formally unveil the brochure of the second North East India Film Festival 2025. Festival asigi brochure ikai kumnajariba Methunglien Singhna release tawiduna mayamki mafamda lanthokpinaba nolukchari. Thank you very much for doing the honor. And a festival of such stature is saved by visionaries and leaders. Their wisdom, guidance, and encouragement fuel the creative aspirations of filmmakers and storytellers. May I now invite our esteemed Presidium members to share their words of inspiration with us. First of all, we'd like to request Professor L. Hemchandra Singh, Director, Dhanamanjari Community College, DM University, Manipur, to share his words of wisdom with us.
Ahana Maktada Pumna Mapukurumzari. A very good afternoon to all of you. Honorable Governor Manipur, Sri Ajoy Kumar Balaji, Nasigi Tangai Padaba, Lepaki Fium Degi, Limbir Bangum Hitre. Honorable Vice Chancellor Manipur University, Sir Professor N. Lokender Singh. Honorable Chairman, Loktak Development Authority, Government of Manipur, Sri M. Asni Kumar Singh. Of the dais, I loin among Ming Panjadrabasu, Hana, former Vice Chancellor, Biramba, Kai Kumnizariba, Professor N. Rajmohan Singh, Dhanamaj University, former Vice Chancellor, Professor M. Bhubaneswari Devi, Principal, Dean College of Science, Professor L. Joymati, Head Department of Geology, Dhanamaj University, Professor R.K. London, Head Department of Chemistry, Dhanamaj University, Yamung, Kai Kumnizari R.K. Nimai, Aduga, Loinamak, Mingwena Panjabang Mumdrakasu, all the faculty members, distinguished invitees, filmmakers, film lovers, artists, students, and my dear friends. At the outset, I would like to thank the organizers of today's inaugural function. Asengbadi, Akoina academic television, film ziga, Yamkana Marilyn, the Dragasu, Nakoina and Lena Banina. Akoina Carito, we I have a say, Quikandabinate. Adubu Kanghodana, a quiggy Sinbiriba, especially Tauna, Film Forum Manipur, Adubu DIPR Government of Manipur, under the aegis of the Information and Broadcasting Government of Manipur, as well as Government of India, Makoigi, aegis Makada, Asuguma, Numit Mangani Zubna Satagadaba Festival Asa. Masigi Haudo Pasida guest of honor when on the OBU and Harapasta. Actually, I was also surprised. Moramdi Aquina Larikisin Pamda like Takpale Javanina. Todona Pilam Gamari Masile never enterprise a Kalame. The Konadi Uzik Aquina Lazariba Dhanamajari Community College, based at DM College of Science. Was a Lenzin Biri, Magi Sing Makada, as over vocational center Laiba, where the BVOC program in different trades of Pizabane, blood test obagi, technician, X-ray, among these, Film Gamarilaba, vocational course Mayoba. That is what we call it mass communication and multimedia technology. It is of 3 years bachelor course ni. Having multiple exit and entry in the line of NEP 2020. Aduna, Masida Aquina, Lejubanina, Pilamga, Adum Marilina, Mayama activities, Mayama, for example, editing, script writing, cinematography, animation, Mayama, Angang Zingzita Tammanina, Asugum Pangsanase, Masida, and Yauzaba Pangase, Asuki Mutik Nuaise. Aduga thagat puju phongduk sei especially organizers sing ai thodongna film gi matang dadi yam kanna haidrasu maming leraba film directors me ama koi romi mi tai no adigi tongan ton versus kanta mingun panjaraba lebiri adubu as we know that film is one of the most powerful media through which we can connect languages, culture, geography, and also it reflects emotion, human emotions, characters. Mayamma piba aduna koi wazama oizaragasu film ji marmar ta yengba aduga film degi lotion biya base koi tawjai aduna film tawriba singna yamna marik chum wafam sudum mai magi matam gi akoi gi nimin mangani sida tawbirkan heba gi asir bai thamjai ada akoina yam kanna I didn't see all lingsin biriba koi gi maruma pang sing sinanaw sing adegi kai community mem sida ain haijaning madi akoi gi north east si magi cultural heritage am tina wangre adun marmu idana masi north east ki film festival se ai tawni ne khanjai adu manipur gi context ta akoina just when we just have a look to Manipuri cinema at that time I was class 3 or 4 I cannot remember it was 1972 usa holda Manipuri film yana na kogi matam gi Manipur na ai yengjegi it was 1972 machine yana na Manipur gi cinema si yana na film ne na akhang ai sina takpi ai warang bane zu khanjai adudi mathang film gi kano si myam lakre magi revolution adigi changes myam ada ina panjani bam khatang di lei film ji India gi context to film ga akoi academician mo na sum suggestion pizabani India gi context to film ga adigi asom da Hollywood to busika Manipuri to ba mai tongan mahawk si adum lei adigi akoi gi Manipur da tawriba film sing manungda akoi gi yam samnar bada culture da based orga culture yokotpagi ama ayam tentang haizabani ai sanglu sangjar roi ani subada ngasagi imale pak ningbagi thim da toba ma ahum subadana family gi history gi family gi story da toba ma along with romantic odagi effects me yoba ma sina taba akoi gi Manipur da yamna detective oiba level jam wangwa film adu magidi masing kitang ai handabra na khalle imung bunungi wari adegi machin manaw khanabagi adegi nungsi nongon gi adegi tongan ba akoi gi dimam lekhre ko aduna akoina suggestion sum academy shamne pizabadi sigumba kitang yamaruiba sumju adum toningi ana irolebada aina haijaningi si it is my request to all the audience and haijaning is DM College of Science the based over Dhanamajuri Community College Kobama Leiba. Although actually it is not a separate college. I think Kudongsa Lukjaraga Hajabani Hariba College it was established in 2014 under the financial assistance of University Grants Commission. Madi Matungda Matam no Koi Satram Leramde. Huzikti we have around 1,000 students. Adu magi kanwasi asukimatic admissions amna problem hoigre. Aduna ina haijaningi di masigi vocation asida DM College of Science leriba community college hujikna magi status it has already been upgraded to DDU Kaushal Kendra Din Dayal Upadhyaya Kaushal Kendra skill yoba. Aduna NEP 2029 is 50% of the schools and higher education institutions should be introduced vocational kanwase tawgadabani haibani. But in our university, Dhanamaj University, masig skills adum koi phasana leire. Aduna magis job placement ji apsina wangre. media gi IS TV da Impact TV da Doordarshan da All India Radio da adigi Impact TV da adigi print media da so many magi kanosi placement jam leire aduna hana budi khangbiram bani khangbi da ba khoi gi chinau sing chhatra sing yauragasu every year June July swaisida mogi academic session ji howi 3 years ni ma sahim tang to tamaga to kesu ai ani tamaga to kesu ai amuk sang pusu ai and exactly NEP 2020 da khona paste torga masi tawjabani masi asukimati self employment employability system leiba sai tumna thabo pizaba yare aduna film gi oire ma si tongan makhal gi isam jamna film da pami haidana film jida changbana taba film ji goiba manung gi oiba technology me amma adum learn to biar hajariba aduna irole beda aina mukana thagachari the organizers of this festival especially Thauna Film Forum Manipur and DIPR for giving me this opportunity to share my views mukana thagachari thank you all.
Thank you very much, respected Director, DM Community College, Dhanamanjari University, Manipur, Professor L. Hemchandra Singh. Ikai khumnajariba ozana ngasigi thoramasiga mari leinaba wafam sing mayamgi wakhalloksing oigadaba wafam maruoiba kaya amasu thambirami loinana isagi pukningda leiba thengnabirakpa experience kaya amasu share tawiramba haninga leitana ozabu hanhana thagachaba phongdokchari. Mathangi asina Presidium Member Moina Lingshin Biriba Honorable Chairman LDA Government of Manipur Shri Wairangthem Ashni Kumar Singh ikai khumna jaribana thoramasiga mari leinaba wafam khara thambiranaba norukchari.
Punamabu khuramjari ngasigi anishuba North India Film Festival 2025 hawdopagi tharmasida President Member oina agiyata lingshin biriba landamsigi thodo hundongna miyamna sak khangraba aduga koi Manipuri khwadi saukthaksanai oraba and Manipur University Vice Chancellor oina thabu biriba ekai kumnajariba Professor and Lokendra Singh oina harmaktada ekai kumnabachari mathangda gi mangda hojita wangangmiramba Oida Vice President Member Election Bureau Oza Professor L. Hemchandra Singh Director DM Community College DM University Manipur Busoina Toduna Kakun Usari Aduga of the Daista Election Bureau Toduna Ming Panjarbada A Pabung Siri and Nimai Singh former Minister Aduga Yamung Arki Nimai retired IAS the Oza Professor and Razmond Marup Sri Romi Maitei Aduga Atopa Pasang naraba parcelitis mayam film gi lamda amadi film bu thoi happening lengberigba pasang naraba punam usu kai kan busari aduga tinviriba ari baba kai punam pusu aine kai kan busari agi mangda keynote address aduga oza Hemchandra na yam phajana ngambi khare thadun ngani ngai leite adubu ayo wafam kitang thormasing mari lena phongdok sargadi koi Manipuri cinema gi legacy si yamna sange adra masina koi de piriba mag impact society si piriba mag entertainments aduga society simasi akoi Manipuri society asi karino habe si miam khangan ba aduga akoi culture shape reshape to ba aduga influence of minds koi myoi ba koi da masina film masina piriba mag influence mayam nang koi film ngi maram da hairo ge de koi loibena roi adana masi amna kanaba akoi society da koi samaj asida amna positive oina masina kanaba mayam role mayam lowi film gi through da adana masi amaram da di akoi society sigi same ngi ne haibasu haiman batoi film haibasi aduga society asi change borakpada film achoba ma critical role ama lori adugi mathakta amuk akoi cultural exchange toba gi aduma achoba platform musu oiribani film si adung mathakta koi economic impact akoi gi film industry asina employment mayam ma koi generate tawreba akoi gi naha singda adug even एजेट ओइबा कांगबुदसु फिल्म की डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली थबक तो मी मैम मदना इम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट तौबगी अदुम खुदों चाबा सबुमसु पीरी अदुगा अखोगी मांगसल लोन असी खुना हेरिटेज हाइबता लैंग्वेज ऑफ हेरिटेज असी खुना प्रिजर्व तौबदसु फिल्म असिना अचौबा अदुम मसी मतेंग यामना पांग हाइबा तारे अदुग मथक्ता अखोगी मणिपुरी सिनेमा अदुगा मशीन हौदोरक्पा अमदि मशीन 1972 अदायदगी अखोई हौदोखिबनी साहिबी के मतमगी मणिपुर अजानसु पनबिखरे अदुग मथंग लाक्तना कोई फिल्म कयामा मणिपुर आंकबा फंगना कोई फिल्म की लम कोई की इंडस्ट्री से ग्रोथ लेरमे अदुबु सदली खंगना 2001 अदायदगी दे कोई सम करिगुम खरा अनसर्टेनिटी खरा लाकपदगी मसेना कोई फिल्म की लंबी से खितंग कोई खुरु थामुम लाखी अदु अरुसमु कोई मरुइना कोई की ट्रेडिशन ओइबा कोई लोकल डायलेक्ट मणिपुरी दा बेस्ड ओबा अदु अतो डायलेक्ट सिंगदा नागा की कम्युनिटी दा कुकी कम्युनिटी तो फिल्म मयाम अमा कोई इनोर अमा लाकना यामना चौबा कोई इम्पैक्टफुल ओइबा अदुंबा अमा डेवलपमेंट अमा लाखी फिल्म की इंडस्ट्री की असी मणिपुर दा अदुना अइन हाइजिनिंग बदी कोई फिल्म मशीन कोई सिनेमा से मरुइना कोई रिच कल्चर फोकलोर्स अदुगा स्ट्रगल ऑफ द पीपल से कोई फजना उत्पा अदुंबा पोसक अमखन उत्पा ngamba अतेन मतमदा अदुना मशीन ख्वाइदी अखोगी पावरफुल ओइबा अदुंबा वॉइस अमने सोसाइटी सिगिसु असी फिल्म से यूनिक ओइबा अदुंबा पोसक अमखंगनी अदुगा कोई मणिपुर की सिनेमा से रिकग्निशन अमा यामना वांगना फंगबा नेशनल की थाकता इंटरनेशनल थाकता फंगखरबा अदुंबा फिल्म अदुंबा सिनेमा कयाम कोई पुथोखरे पिकरबा स्टेट असिना अदुना अदुगी मथक्ता अखोई मणिपुरी सिनेमा हॉल सिंग से कोई थिंगिन खिबना मरम वरकांदा मसे डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली थबक तोरमा मी लिसिंग अहुंगी मथक्ता कोई मसी इफेक्ट तौकेबा अदुबु मसी तमना कोई लाकपदे होजिति कोई यामना अमुक रिवाइव तौखले अदुना फिल्म मसी कोई समाज असिगा अजि मॉडर्न एज असिसु कोइगा तना थानबा याद्रबा अदुगुंबा सिम्बायोटिक रिलेशन ले हेबा तारे कोई ह्यूमन सोसाइटी असिगा कोई फिल्म सिनेमा हेबसे कोई तना थानबा सोया रोइदबा अदुगुंबा मुगरे नसि मॉडर्न एज गी अदुगुंबा मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड असिदा अदुना कोई कयम नामना सिंथानगा 1982 दा कोई अंगांग ओनगेदा आई रिकॉल तौजै कोई इमागिन निखेमने फिल्म अमा कोई थेंगनखिएबा मस अंगपनी मसी कोई ग्रांड प्रिक्स अवार्ड फंगेबा फ्रांस दा अजा मसी चुम्बिबरा हन खंगे खै यमुन निमाई लालगे दा हाइबिरो सब्जेक्ट टू द करेक्शन अदुना सिगुंबा यामना कोई दे याव इनबॉर्न टैलेंट्स मयाम अमा यावबा अखोगी जाति असिदा हाइबा तारे कोई खुनाय असिदा अदुगा अखोगी कल्चर हेरिटेज है ओजान तंबिखेबा यामना कोई दे मसादा लोना यावजरबा कोई हेरिटेज अपडेट सोइबा अदु मसे अखो रेस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड उथोना बिदंता फिल्म मसेना चौबा मसेगी रोल अमा लौरिएबा अदुना कोई सुंबा सिनेमा फिल्म मसे कोइना कोई हिंखल मथौता हेना कोई मसे पोनिंग थौर मथौता मसेदा कोई भारत सरकार नसु कोई नेशनल फिल्म पॉलिसी न सिंबा नेशनल फिल्म डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन मणिपुर फिल्म डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन जो लेरे स्टेट केसु आर्ट एंड कल्चर डिपार्टमेंट मिनिस्ट्री इन्फॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग ngasi hore pangthok ko sumba north east film festival sisu ministry information broadcasting government of india na koi support sponsor torgan pangthok ko dorni aduna film me bisa sumati matu oba nation ki perspective adu state ki perspective tu aduna koi kangi manipur da cinema की फिल्म की लमदा तौबिरिबा आर्टिस्ट सिंग अदु डायरेक्टर सिंग प्रोड्यूसर सिंग मैम स्ट्रगल मैम थेंगदई अदु थेंगरगसु कोई इवन इन चैलेंजिंग टाइम अदु कोई फिल्म से अदु कोई despite of all the odds अदु कोई माइ पाकपा ngami हाबसे बेदि आई हाइजनिंगी अदुना कोई तुंगदला कदब मिसिंगदा आई सामके साइट गिसु आई अंगम्बा एनी मणिपुर फिल्म फोरम ना और नत्रग एनी थौनाना तरक थबक खुदिंगमक्ता फिल्म की लमदा चाखुतनाबा तरकपा अदु मणिपुर की याम रिच ऑफ कल्चर हेरिटेज अदुगा सोसाइटी असिगी मरु कंपोनेंट मैम से अखोइना फिल्म ओइना पुथोगा पृथ्वी मियामदा उठोना होनबा मतमदा मदा दरकार होबा मतंग खुदिंगमक्ता आई मोरल फिजिकल अदुगा लॉजिकल सपोर्ट आई मतंग खुदिंगबा पांगजेगे मणिपुर फिल्म अदुगा असी हेन सौखत पोरसनु नॉर्थ ईस्ट फिल्म फेस्टिवल की मथक्ता कोई थौनान असी सिलिबसे सिदगी हेना नेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल सिंदना मणिपुर की मियामदा अमदी नॉर्थ ईस्ट मियामदा भारत की मियामदा हेना अफबा अदुमा मेसेज पीबा ngamorasunu haidana इन ईश्वर प्रश्न तौजरा पुनपु कोरमजर तेहनजगे थैंक यू
Thagachari, Ikai Khunajariba, Chairman, Loktak Development Authority, Government of Manipur, Shri Moirangthem Ashni Kumar Singh, Manipuri Cinema Gi Damakta Angamba Mating Pangani, Angamba Tabak Taugai, Taugani Madi, Festival Asibu, Silibagisu, Tauna, Lingjel Happy Rambai Kai Khunajariba, Presidium Member Bohanahana, Tagachaba Fongdokchari. Matangiasina, Lingshin Biriba, Ikai Khunajariba, Vice Chancellor, Manipur University, Professor N. Lokendra Singh, Sarna, Nasigi Thoramasiga, Marilena Bawapam Singh, Mayamda Tambiranaba, Norukchari.
Ahan Maktada Mayampun Makpu Kuramjari. Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajay Kumar Balaji, who unfortunately could not attend this inaugural function of the second episode of Northeast India Film Festival, learned members of the Presidium, Sri M. Ashwini Kumar Singh, Chairman Loktak Development Authority, Government of Manipur, Professor L. Hemchandra Singh, Director, DM Community College, DM University, distinguished invitees of the dais, Dr. R.K. Nimai Singh, retired IAS, Sri Joy Singh, Commissioner of Department of Art and Culture, Professor Rajmohan Singh, former Vice Chancellor, Dhanamandri University, Principal of DM College of Science, all the learned members of the film fraternity of Manipur, all the learned film directors, film lovers, their students, friends from the media, and ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to congratulate Thauna, Manipur, who has very successfully arranged and organized this second edition of Northeast India Film Festival for 5 days in association with Film for Manipur, Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Government of Manipur, under the aegis of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, and National Film Development Corporation. The second Northeast India Film Festival 2025 Manipur is showcasing the cinematic brilliance and the rich cultural tapestry of Northeast region. The festival will recognize exceptional talents across various categories from all 8 states of Northeast India, including Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Manipur. This festival will foster cultural unity and nurture the growth of a thriving film industry within the region. This will also serve as an exceptional platform to showcase outstanding artistic and technical achievements from the talented filmmakers of Northeast India. Filmmakers from other northeastern states have bagged international film awards on many occasions, but mostly for documentaries. This opportunity for exposure to good cinema in the next 5 days, especially for the Northeast, thus is a noble initiative of the ministry that will definitely go a long way in nurturing cinema practice in the region. The future of Northeast cinema is promising, with talents emerging across various genres and competitions. As on date, filmmaking in Assam and Manipur are the largest filmmaking producing states in the region. But the region has the potentiality of emerging as an important entertainment powerhouse given the adequate resources, infrastructural support, and proper outlets for film distributions. Filmmaking in the region, in fact, started amidst variety of odds, be it financial constraints or technical shortcomings. However, against such an inspiring background, artistic ambience and commercial prospects, filmmakers in the region ventured to explore the novelty of this medium. With these encouraging developments, the cinematic voices of Northeast India are certainly poised to gain greater recognition both nationally and internationally, contributing to the country's diverse cultural landscape. We hope this festival will inspire filmmakers and cinemaphiles alike while putting Northeast India's vibrant film industry on the global map, and also this will produce quality films to improve society at this critical juncture of social change. With these few words, I would like to thank the organizer Thauna, the Manipur Film Forum Manipur, DIPR Government of Manipur once again for giving me this opportunity to say a few words on this inaugural function. Mayam punamagpo amahana kuramjari.
Thank you very much, respected Vice Chancellor, Manipur University, Professor N. Lokendra Singh, for sharing your profound knowledge with us and for that insightful message. Thank you very much once again. Every grand event is a collective effort, and gratitude is the essence that binds us together. To extend our heartfelt appreciation, may I now request Shri Joy Chand Moirangthem, General Secretary, All Manipur Film Producers Association, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. We see second Northeast India Film Festival 2025 Manipur inauguration. Numit nahi tareko. Sida koi Thauna amasung koi film forum amasung DIPR na sinjaba kenoi program ni sida koi dice lengzen biriba koi Professor N. Lokendra, Vice Chancellor, Manipur University, Sri M. Asni Kumar Singh, Honorable Chairman, Loktak Development Authority, Government of Manipur, Professor L. Hamchandra Singh, Director, DM Community College, DM University Manipur, Hanhana Thatsari, Ahoina, invite those about Matamsana Lapituna program Sibu, success of his Mokta. Thank you so much once again. Now, jury member, Oken Amaksam, Bobby Wahangbam, O Gautam, so Hanhana Thakasari. Then directors and producers of all the interests of Mapalam Dagi, then from Manipur, then outside Manipur, those who are present here, thank you so much for it means in this event, for coming in this event. Then National Film Development Corporation su Hanna Thakasari, Minister of Information and Broadcasting su Thakasari, Koiki Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy gi Lakpiriba Kwaifik su Thakatpa Phongdoksari. Then akogi live thabiriba Khusyam live, then Robert Laisang Tham Studios, and akogi press and media the labiriba mayam su hanna thakatsari. Then akogi ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯖꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯟꯠ ꯂꯦꯡꯖꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯄꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯗ ꯐꯝꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ DM ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯖꯋꯥꯍꯔ ꯅꯦꯍꯔꯨ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯦꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯆꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯆ for coming.
Thank you very much, Sri Joy Chand Moirangthem, General Secretary, All Manipur Film Producers Association, for that heartfelt vote of thanks of the inaugural ceremony of Second Northeast India Film Festival 2025. As we transition to the next segment of the evening, may I kindly request our esteemed dignitaries to take their respective seats in the front row. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Art is the heartbeat of culture, and dance is its rhythm. We now present a mesmerizing cultural performance, Vasantaras, a timeless portrayal of divine love and devotion performed by the distinguished artists of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. Hello. Hello. Jay, hello. Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal.
Happy ya?
Of Free India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, on his maiden visit to Manipur in 1952, witnessed Ras Leela at the Royal Palace on the invitation of His Highness Maharaja Bodhchandra Singh. Pandit Nehru was so moved by the spectacle of the Ras that he took the initiative of founding an institution of Manipuri dance in Imphal. Thus was born the Manipur Dance College, established on April 1 in 1954 at the Babupara Theatre Hall in Imphal. The college was later renamed as Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy on June 8 in 1964 after the demise of Pandit Nehru to honor his contribution to the founding of the academy. In the academy's initial stage of growth, Guru Maishnam Amobi Singh and Guru Haubam Atomba Singh pioneered the movement to build up this institution. It was their tireless effort and the enduring support of the other gurus in those early days that showed the flourishing of the academy into a reputed institution of Manipuri dance. The academy is an institution of learning where the goal set is the attainment of the highest knowledge and wisdom on the age-old cultural values and traditions of Manipur. The courses offered at the academy are Foundation Course 3 years, Diploma Course 3 years and Post-Diploma Course 3 years. The subjects taught are Ras, Lai Harauba, Nat Sankirtan Isai, Nat Sankirtan Cholom, Nat Sankirtan Pung, Tribal Dance and Thangta. Foundation and Diploma course only for the latter two. The academy encourages production of composition dances and dance dramas in providing a platform to the gurus and the talented students for innovative creations of art forms. Eminent scholars and artists from Manipur and outside deliver guest lecturers on different subjects relating to art and culture, supplemented with demonstrations of their art. Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy is a constituent unit of Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi. Its management vests in the executive board of the academy, which is assisted by an advisory committee and director of the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. Shri Pukrambam Bilas Singh is the director of the academy. Presenting now is Vasantaras. With the advent of Vaishnavism during the 18th century, a new wave of devotional cult spread in Manipur, which found supreme expression
in various forms of dance and music, the most eloquent of them being the widely known Ras Leela. Of the 5 Leelas performed in Manipur, we present this evening the Vasanta Ras of the spring season, which is played on the full moon night of Chaitra, that is in the month of March-April. Sri Krishna goes to the appointed group Kunja. The gopis, led by Radhika, respond to the call of his magical flute. They together play Holi with a bear in a riot of colors.
lemjeri khung thang li ngực li ra đi ca xuân giờ ông đi cao chưa xuống ông đi ra đã बसंत की पूर्णिमा हे ननिंग जरब हिंगसिद अखोई मयाम लोइनदुना रास सानस पुकनिंग ननिंग थुंहंस इबुंगो ननाय अखोई न पामजबसु मदुतनी
Oh
Thank you very much, all the talented artists of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, for that very mesmerizing and spectacular the opening performance of the inaugural ceremony of 2nd Notice India Film Festival 2025. As the grand cinematic curtain rises, we bring you the much awaited opening film Maraibag Ningba Herachandra. Before we proceed, we take this moment to honor the brilliant minds behind this cinematic masterpiece. A film of such historical significance and artistic excellence is a result of immense dedication, patience, and storytelling prowess. To acknowledge their remarkable contribution to Manipuri cinema and beyond, we now invite M. Ashni Kumar Singh, Honorable Chairman, Loktak Development Authority, Government of Manipur. Ikai Kumnajariba Chairman Sir film asigi Director amadi Producer bo Honor amadi Felicitate tawbinabagi damakta nalukchari. Amadi Kausinjari film asigi Director Maipakshana Haurongbam Lingshin Birakani. Loinana Producer Chinglimba Yengkhom Su Lingshin Biraknaba Nalukchari. Mayaida. This historical masterpiece beautifully narrates the heroism of Herachandra during the 7 years devastation of Manipur, 1819 to 1826, a film that has already met its mark by winning prestigious awards. Best Debut Feature Film at Kollywood International Film Festival, Tamil Nadu, December 2023. Best Experimental Film at Notice India International Film Festival, Mumbai, Season 2, March 2024. Director Maipaksana Haurongbam and producer Chinglemba Yengkhom. Ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, sir, for doing the honor. And ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude the opening ceremony of 2nd Notice India Film Festival 2025, we present to you the opening film of this festival, Maraibag Ningba Herachandra. Thank you everyone for for your gracious presence at the inaugural function of the 2nd Notice India Film Festival 2025. This festival has just begun and an incredible lineup of films and discussions awaits you. Let us celebrate the art of cinema together. Pumnamakpu Kurumchari.